this question we are given an expression S which is equal to 1 by 1 into 3 plus 2 by 1 into 3 into 5 plus 3 by 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 plus dot 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 till a lot of terms, and we are required to calculate the number of terms that are needed such that the sum is greater than or equal to 0.499999, that is 4 followed by 5 nines. Now if you are looking at the expression S, what is the nth term of the expression? The nth term will be equal to n divided by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1. This is the nth term. Now if you are trying to simplify the expression, the important thing is to divide the nth term into a difference of two terms which will get cancelled when you keep on adding a lot of terms. So in this particular case, if you are looking at the n minus 1th term, that will be equal to n minus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n minus 1. So the first thing that you should remember is that the denominator in the nth term, the last term will be 2n plus 1, and for the n minus 1th term, the denominator will be 2n minus 1. So if you are looking at the value of 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n minus 1, and if you are subtracting 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1, the common denominator will be 1 into 2 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1, and the numerator will be equal to 2n plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 2n divided by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1. Essentially what we are saying is that if you are looking at the nth term Tn to be equal to n by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1, 2 times that will be equal to 2n divided by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1. But this, that is the right hand side, can be written as a difference of 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1. Or to simplify it further, 2 times S, where you are multiplying all the terms with 2, and we can write each of them as a difference of the things that we have discussed earlier. 1 into 3 can be written as 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 into 3. Similarly, the second term, which is 2 divided by 1 into 3 into 5, can be written as 1 by 1 into 3 minus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5. Similarly, 2 times the third term, that is 6 by 1 into 3 into 5 into 7, can be written as plus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 minus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into 7, and so on. Now the last term, that is Tn, if you are multiplying it by 2, you can again write it as 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, minus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1. Now if you are summing them all up, the left hand side will remain the same, it is equal to 2s, and what is the right hand side? Now consecutive terms will keep on getting cancelled. So the only thing that will remain is the first term, which is 1, and the last term, which is 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1. So the right hand side will become equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1. This is the value of 2 times s. So the value of s will become equal to half of this. Now we want s to be greater than 0.499999. So you want 0.499999 to be less than 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 times into 1 by 1 into 3 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1. Now you can bring both of them to the other side. So the left hand side will become equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 into 3 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1 should be less than 0.5, this is half, minus 0.499999. 4,99999, or this will be equal to 0.000001. And what is this? If you are expressing this as 10 to the power a negative number, this will be 10 to the power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. So this is 10 to the power minus 6. Or essentially you want, let me clear some space so that we can write it better. Let us clear the right hand side and continue there. So now if you are looking at the inequality, we want 1 by 1 into 3 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1 should be less than 2 times 10 to the power minus 6. Now if you take a reciprocal on both sides, we want 1 into 3 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1 should be greater than 10 to the power 6 divided by 2. This is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 5, that is 5, 50, 500, 5000, 50,000 and 5 lakhs. So we want the product of 1 into 3 into dot 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 into 2n plus 1 to be greater than 5 lakhs. Now let us try to find out what is the value of n. If n is equal to 1, the product will be equal to 1, and if into 3, this is if n is equal to 1 and the product is 3. If you add 5, n will become equal to 2 and the product is equal to 15. If n is equal to 3, you will have to add 7 and the product will become equal to 105. If n is equal to 4, you will have to add 9 and the product will become equal to 945. This is when n is equal to 4. If n is equal to 5, you have to multiply this with 11. This is when n is equal to 5 and the product will be equal to 945 into 11. So that is 9450 plus 945, which is 5, 9, 3 and 1. So around 10,395. This is the value when n is equal to 5. When n is equal to 6, you add another 13. So you have 10,395 into 13. So the product will be approximately equal to 1.35 lakhs. You can calculate it, but we can say for sure that this is definitely less than 5 lakhs. But the moment you make n to be equal to 7, you have to multiply this product, that is 1.35 lakhs, into 15. So now the product will become equal to approximately 19 lakhs. The exact number you can calculate using your calculator, but we know that once you multiply this product by 15, that is the first time the product will be greater than 5 lakhs. And at that point the value of n is 7. So the least number of terms that you should have in S for the sum to be greater than 0.499999 is equal to 7.